If you are experiencing difficulties logging into the app, clear the browsing data from Safari. Open up Settings, scroll down to Safari, and then click on Clear History and Data. Exit from here and open up the Safari browser. Type in the URL jodyromandpt.com, which will bring you to the home screen of the app. You'll be prompted to log in. And after you do, you'll be prompted to add an icon to the home screen. Tap on the icon on the bottom, and then scroll to the right and tap on Add to Home Screen, and then in the top right corner, Add. An icon will be placed on your home screen where you can easily access the app. The first time you access from here, you'll be asked to log in again. You will not have to log in again unless you log out or delete the app. Here you can see your exercises, in this case John Doe. Enjoy the app.